Hello, little explorers. How are you? I hope you all are very well and you are doing very good in your studies. Is it? Let me know in the comment box. Kids, are you ready for the fun-filled journey through the world of festivals? Buckle up because we are about to explore some of the most exciting celebrations. Kids, in India, we celebrate different types of festivals related to different religions. Let's start with Eid. Imagine the smell of delicious biryani and sweets in the air. On this day, families come together, share food, and give to the poor. And guess what? Kids get Eid, money and gifts from elders. How cool is that? Kids, do you know Eid is the festival related to Muslim religion? Now let's head to Durga Puja. The streets are filled with dazzling lights, grand pandals, and the sound of drums. People dress up, offer prayers, and enjoy cultural programs. And the food. Oh, the yummy Bengali sweets! Mouth-watering! Yum! But the most important about Durga Puja is to believe in yourself and respect women and mankind. Time to splash some colors. Holi is here. Imagine throwing bright colors at your friends, dancing to dhol beat and eating gujiyas, jalebis, and having thandai also. It's a festival of fun, laughter, and oops, did someone just throw color on me? It's Holi. Holi is celebrated by Hindus. Welcome to South India, where it is time for Pongal. People cook a special dish called Pongal in earthen pots. Thanking the sun for a good harvest, cows are decorated, people sing folk songs, and the celebration lasts for 4 days. Gurpurab. Now let's visit a Gurudwara for Gurpurab. Sikhs celebrate the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji with prayers and kirtan. And the best part is langar, a community meal where everyone eats together, no matter who they are. That's the true spirit of unity. Now let's move to Onam. Heading to Kerala. Now for Onam. Imagine beautifully decorated boats racing across the backwaters. People wearing traditional white and gold outfits. And a feast with over 25 dishes. And oh, the floral rangolis. So pretty. Diwali. Boom! Crackers! It's Diwali, the festival of lights. Houses glow with diyas. Fireworks light up the sky. And everyone enjoys sweets. It's all about celebrating victory of God and good over evil. But remember, Eco-friendly celebrations are the best. And whenever you crack crackers, be safe. Do it with your parents. Never do it alone. Now, Christmas.
Jingle, jingle bell, jingle all the way. So much fun.
Yes, ho ho ho. It's Christmas time. Snow or no snow? It depends where are you staying. The holiday cheer is everywhere. People decorate Christmas trees, sing carols and wait for Santa to drop gifts. And do you know your Santa is your parents? And of course, the yummy cake and cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Who kept this yummy cake over here? Can I eat it? Whoa, what a ride! Festivals are not just about fun. They bring us together, teach us traditions, and fill our heart with joy. No matter which festival you celebrate, the most important thing is love and happiness. So, celebrate, keep smiling, and be kind to others. And let me know in the comment box which festival do you like the most? Is it Holi, Eid, Diwali, or Christmas? I'll keep waiting, kids, for your comment. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Like it and subscribe the channel.